In the last episode, I showed you how to edit a photo that was indoors with even lighting. This time, let's look at a photo that is outside with contrasty lighting, with bright lighting. Using the presets, we're clicking on the preset tab, and we are going to just see which one we like best. Now, some things to think about is with some of these, we are with Cherry Bomb, for instance, the red rock behind her, her fingertips, this already has a little bit more of a warmth and a pink to it. So for this photo, if you want more warmth and more pink in the red and in the fingertips that are already warm and pink, then go for it. But if you don't want any of that, then Cherry Bomb is not going to be the preset for you. Don't Stop Believing is something that you could possibly use. When you're doing these presets and you're trying to decide between which one you want to use, think about the one that has the lighting that you like the best. And then if you need, you can go in and adjust the coloring, and you can take out some of the green, you can add in some of the green. Any of those can be an option. So like Jack and Diane, I like this one, but I do want to make it a little more green. You can see that it says 14 plus.